How to play games on Snapchat. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open your application Snapchat. Make sure you are logged into your account. Move into your chat section. Head over to the inbox of the person that you want to play the game with. So one thing you should know that there is a recent issue with games on Snapchat. Previously, you would have an option of rocket icon right here, but right now the icon has been removed by Snapchat. That is why the games are not available right now. So all you can do is wait for the Snapchat to update this feature once again. But the one thing you can try doing is download the older version of Snapchat. So just head over to any web browser. In the search bar, search for download Snapchat 2022 version. Scroll down and search for Snapchat older version. Once you find it, head over to it. It will land you on this page. Now once again you need to search for the Snapchat of 2022 version. Search for it and once you find it, tap on it. So you just need to download this older version of Snapchat on your device. Once you download this application, you will definitely find the rocket option and you will be able to play games on Snapchat. So this is it for today and this was a tutorial video on how to play games on Snapchat. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.